But it's cold.
Hi everyone, welcome back. This is my Bali out of the city series. Welcome to Goa Raja, the Cave King. This is nice, easy walk down. Tickets were only 25,000, that's Aussie, about $2.50. American about $1.50. Easy walk down. We come to here, only a short walk. Very reasonably priced at the moment, but they're trying to develop a lot of it. I've got the big stairs, some of them are big stairs. So even though they say it's Goa Raja, here's the sign saying Goa Raja. And on Google Maps it says
Goa Raja.
Yeah, very good. This is the steepest bit maybe, the stairs? Yeah, it's okay. Tida Papa, no worries. So some of the walking down was, it's more that they're big steps, but there's plenty of railings and everything. All well done. Keep on saying I won't video while I'm walking, but I do. Should bring out my GoPro and use that. There's a few of these bridges along the way, but it's mostly level. Up and down a couple of stairs. How good is this? Oh, this is why I come out to these places. The water is crystal clear. It's funny, it looks green. When you cup it up in your hands, it's crystal clear. So that's the little waterfall. And this is the big one. Look at that. Some people say, why do I keep going to waterfalls? Because it's wonderful exercise, beautiful walk, beautiful scenery, and I get to swim. But I won't be going under that one. That would hurt. This is absolutely stunning. Made, Nata, my driver, said you got to come to this one. Probably about an hour's drive from Kuta. Maybe a bit more. We've come up from Vienna. Wow, I could just stand here and keep looking at it. The breeze coming off is absolutely beautiful. Maybe if I swing around, I might be able to come back the other way. I've been trying to catch where there's not people everywhere. There's quite a few people here. If I get my angles right, I might miss them. Somewhere here. That is beautiful. Wonderful. I don't know how they'll go with the camera misting up. Looks pretty good at the moment. Come around. Maybe if I come over here a bit, might get a better view. Oh, that's stunning. I'm getting splattered, but it's really good. Here comes that sexy man. I wondered who this strange man was. It was you. That is magnificent. Magnificent? Magnificent. Look at the mist. Love it.
Oh, we are in Goa Raja Waterfall.
This one. Sayo.